Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
I said I will take heed unto my ways, that I sin not with my tongue. I will keep my mouth with a bridle, while the wicked is before me. I call no one a wicked, but I'm only saying that I will make sure what I speak tonight is like food to the soul and health to the body. Mr. Chairman, Comrade Chairman, my comrade, colleague, mayor, colleague, councillor, in whom I am well pleased. But I have to big up Comrade Len. Because when friends were few and the days were dark, we were there together doing other works and working hard for the cause of the People's National Party. To all my colleagues on the forum, but I would not be able to forgive myself if I don't big up the darling of St. Elizabeth Northeast. Because I have a church in a constituency that she used to be in at. But I also go down to Balaclava for church. And if I don't go to Balaclava for church, I go to Silo. Apart from Mosquito Bottom, right on the main road sometimes. So I have to make sure that I am in good stead with the comrades from North East, because I don't want them to stone me. But comrades, I want you to listen to me tonight. And I will talk to you for about 2 minutes or so. I hear a man say, I'm going to call no name, that the Jamaican people should not allow the PNP to win again in Jamaica. But I want to warn the Jamaican people that they should not allow the Jamaica Labour Party to win again in Jamaica, or else we shall all feel the pinch and the brunch. And if dog name will supper, no supper I'm going to defend them. I hear a Labour right confess that in the local government elections, they tried to suppress the PNP votes. So, comrades, are warning you. It is evidently clear that man for man and pound for pound, no Labour right can't test no PNP at no time at all. So, warning you, they're going to come with the money. They're going to come like you never see money before. But no poor box, not sell for $2,000 or $72,000. That is poor box. It's not poor box, it's poor box. Because them think the Jamaican people, them poor. Yes, we poor, and we black and we comely. But we want Marky G to be our leader when the next general elections are called. If him born in England, not my problem. I want him to be my leader because he's a man of integrity. He's a man of accountability. He has transparency in him. And I know he has a good heart for the people of Jamaica. My friend, Comrade Scott, don't worry yourself. David says in the Psalm, though an host should encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. The war should rise against me, in this will I be confident. The more them fight you, is the stronger you shall become. So don't watch them. Don't watch them. Hold it, Mr. Music Man. I want you to tell them, Norman, they can't kill purpose. For what is yours cannot be on yours. And Southeast St. Elizabeth is Norman's. Because from we lose in Southeast, Daddy D, no rest yet. And I want him to go lie down and rest comfortable. I know Len no feel good because I know so it did stay. I know Richie no feel so well because Better was here in the times of the People's National Party. So tell your neighbor, tell your friend, tell your boyfriend, tell your girlfriend that PMP time come. So don't worry. Don't fret. Because we have seen the wicked spreading themselves like a green bay tree. But I tell you, when the bands of the People's National Party rise up, we shall see them no more. They shall run in different directions because the People's National Party is stronger than ever, moving together for the better of this country. So comrades, it's not land talking. When you see your next member of parliament has taken time out and have opened a campaign office for you, the people of Southeast St. Elizabeth, he means you well. He means you well. Because, comrades, I can tell you, when these elections are over, Comrade Norman Scott will be your next member of parliament. And if you never get the road fixed yet, no worry, when he becomes member of parliament, the road will fix. The fertilizer will come. Back to school will come. Education grant will come. But it can't come except you make sure time come that he becomes your next member of parliament for Southeast St. Elizabeth. And so, comrades, when you leave here tonight, find a neighbor. Your neighbor whose goat may have gone into your skeleton bed. Find a neighbor whose boyfriend had trouble your girlfriend. After the time being, nobody vex with the neighbor. Because we want every single PNP vote in the box come
Sister, you know,
election
social people
day.
daily upon TV a morning time. Come with the people them see you. And a teacher, one more teacher. Come with Patricia Harris.
Comrades, let me hear or no? Let me hear me comrades them. One Scotty, never two. One Scotty, never two. Let me acknowledge the presence of the distinguished comrades on the platform. The man with the plan. Him now look for me, you know, but me I look for him. The man with the plan. Norman Scott, next member of parliament for Southeast St. Elizabeth. Let me hear on no comrades, because we mean business in all this. Business we mean. I no follow him, you know. I know me favor Delia, she favor me. Anyway, we're down to business. We're not come here for play. We're not come here for gallivant. We come here for win. We are comrades, and because of that, we are winners. And no more suffering. No more negativity. Everything good. It's all good when you put in Norman Scott as your member of parliament. All right, let me tell you something now. I want you to listen to me. This man, Norman Scott, him bring me in politics. And let me share something with you now. Him put me in a one division. I want you to hear me, you know. Because I want you to know the kind of man what we have sitting down here to be your member of parliament. This man put me in a one division, you see? I want labor right division. 35 years them have the division for. And I said to Scotty, me can't make it. Oh, me for going in a place like that with so much labor right. And he said, no, Pat, me believe in you. And that is all I needed for him to believe. And let me tell you something, that was 2012. I'm going to win the division by 400 and odd votes. First time. So labor right, I'm done with them from there, sir.
That's right. Money. You can't believe it. No, we don't. I'm for them on your head and gone. Never where you go, you want your head and gone. Never when you be sure you want to so you feel the money, but you only one done. Goodbye to me, haters. To no friends.
No, man, Scott. All right, Miss Selector. Wanna ready again? Next election, 2016. Then come for me, you know, man. Then come for me, you know, man. And who else me could have turned to? The man who draw me in at the politics. And him never disappoint me. Him come himself. Him not even send people for train my workers. Him come himself. Him said, Pat, me know you can't do this. They might come after you, but you can't do it. And guess what? Me only win by 17. But a win is a win. Wanna ready again? Wanna ready again? 2024, February. Again, me have this man by my side. And me win by 631. Norman Scott, help me do that. Scotty make we happy. I can tell you, comrade. I can tell you, comrades, I'm coming all the way from Spanish Town, Angels Division. You don't know where Flatbridge there. After me place. After me place. And I can tell you, I had to be here tonight to stand on this platform and make you know, said this man, Norman Scott, is the man with the plan. Him don't trick people. Him not gonna tell you for save up $2,000 a month for go pay down for Pro Box. I know all of we can drive Benz, but you no can drive something better than a Pro Box. And where them come from? And where them hear about on the St. Elizabeth? We are ambitious people. And why them for go with them Pro Box? But anyway, I can stand on this stage and talk and talk and talk. But it all lies with you, the comrades. On election day, if you not come out, come vote, it is not going to happen. Let me see the honor of the voters who coming out. Voters! 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 Time come! Time come to get out the labor rights! We don't want no more labor rights around here. We don't want them. Because them don't know what them want. How can you follow a man who call himself Bro God? Bro God where? No Bro God around here. Only Norman Scott. What we say? Norman Scott.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effective in your constituency.
With your leader, Comrade Mark. Time come. Time come. Time come for the PNP.
Jamaica, time coming up. Time come. The date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golden. Because fold your fist, wave your hand. Because walk around district and
Me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two one caring man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that ex yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see how that ex yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves and I can't get little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. Or if you are working long hours and can't get no pay if you go off foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex yeah? This is because that time they didn't take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where they try to run the country under. You see one there right there so? I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.